Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a unique and delicious recipe that's sure to impress your family and friends: chicken. Gizzards with coconut rice. This dish combines the rich flavors of tender chicken gizzards with the creamy sweetness of coconut. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 medium-sized coconuts, some chicken gizzards, 3 cups of washed rice, 1 medium-sized onion, and a colorful mix of fresh vegetables like green peas, sweet corn, and carrots. This combination not only adds vibrant colors to your dish, but also packs it with nutrients. Begin by preparing the coconuts. Please check the description section below this video to get the link to my full video on how to prepare your fresh coconut milk. Now, let's prep the chicken gizzards. Rinse them thoroughly under cold water and trim any excess fat. In a pot containing your chicken gizzards, add all your desired spices. I will leave mine below in the description. Pour in a little of the coconut milk and let them simmer for about 10 minutes until they're tender. This will infuse the gizzards with a delightful coconut flavor. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Once cooked, drain and set them aside. You can now prepare your fresh vegetables and chicken gizzards combo. In a pot or frying pan, heat a splash of oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, garlic powder or fresh one, bell pepper, seasoning cubes, salt and hot chili. Next, toss in the cooked gizzards and stir them around for a few minutes to let them absorb the various spices' flavor, and saute until it becomes translucent and fragrant. This step is crucial as it builds the foundation of flavor for your dish. Add some fresh coriander leaves, optional. While that's cooking, now it's time to add the rice. Pour in the 3 cups of washed rice into the remaining part of your coconut's milk. Add the necessary spices according to your taste. Once you've added all your needed spices, give it a gentle stir to get all ingredients properly mixed up. Pour in the meat stock from the cooked gizzards and adjust the water as needed. Cover the pot and allow to cook for approximately 10 minutes. Once the rice is cooked and fluffy, gently fold in the gizzard sauce. This not only adds color, but also a burst of freshness to the dish. And there you have it. This dish is not just a meal. It's a celebration of flavors and textures that will leave everyone asking for seconds. Serve your chicken gizzards with coconut rice hot. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoy making this delightful recipe as much as I do. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more delicious cooking tutorials. Happy cooking and see you next time. Bye.